In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step how to promote other people's products and earn thousands and thousands of dollars in commissions every single week without any investment. 100% risk-free, 100% for beginners, and you can start doing this today and you will start to make money very, very, very quickly and very, very fast. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell. Don't forget to share this video with the people you care. If you have any questions, just leave a comment for me. And it will be appreciated if you can give me a thumbs up so this can encourage me to bring up some brand new training, powerful techniques and make money online videos for you that will help you change your life. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. And if you want to learn how I make thousands of dollars in commissions, then all the links are going to be in the description box below this video. Just check it out. As you can see on the screen, one system has generated me over $119,149.59 in commissions. If you really want to learn how I make this type of money, here's the website address that you're seeing on the screen, okay, in the red color. Just go to this website address after you finish watching this video and you will be able to learn exactly how this system is taking the internet by storm and changing people's lives. So let's dive into this video. First of all, what I want to do is I want to open AI. So you're going to use AI for this purpose because I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate products and how to do faceless affiliate marketing. So what I did is I came to AI and I gave AI this quote. Give me 100 quotes of money, for example, $1,000 a day. Tell people not to stay poor and inflict emotions to push them to make a change in their lives. Use I language as well. For example, my life changed when, and then he gave me all these 100 quotes. Okay, so I'm going to use these quotes to promote products. So I'm going to go to Instagram. Now, you'll probably be using Instagram yourself. Okay, you probably know Instagram. So you can see in my profile down here, I have wrote, my mission is to help 100,000 people before 2026. Learn, take action, achieve results, create a six-figure internet business. And down here, I have my link here. You could put your ClickBank affiliate link. You could put your Warrior Plus affiliate link. Or you could put your website address down here. But before that, I want to show you the power. Now, before I get a deep dive into this video, I want to show you something very, very powerful. The method that I'm about to teach you, how powerful this method is and how it can change your life. So I'm going to go to search and I'm going to click on this person here. So check this out. This guy's got 319,000 followers. If I scroll down, look at this. Simple post on Instagram. Look at the likes. 3,000, 2,000, 5,000, 3,000, 7,000, 4,000. Check this out. Simple post. Okay? And it's all motivational quotes. So if I read one of these, if I just read this one, just because your income increased doesn't mean your expenses should increase. Okay? If you can lead a gang, you can run a company. If you can pen a rap, you can write a book. Okay? So these are all motivational quotes. And AI makes the job easy for you. Alright? So we're going to do the same. So if you come to my profile, I do the same thing. Okay? The only thing is that you need to be persistent. You need to do this every single day, 2 to 3 times. If you're going to do it one day, today you're going to do it, then after about 3 days you're going to do it, you're not going to get traffic, you're not going to make money, you're not going to get sales. This has to be done on a daily basis, okay? So you can see here I created a similar one just down here, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do this. Very, very simple, very easy. Like I said, this is all about making money online for beginners without any investment. Okay, you're doing faceless affiliate marketing. So I'm showing you how this can be done very, very quickly and very, very easily. Okay, so let's go to Canva. Okay, so if I go to Canva, I'm just going to type in Instagram quote post. There you go. And it's going to give me all these templates, okay? It's going to give me these. Look at this, 20,000 templates. I could use one of these templates. This is the template. Not this one, alright? There's a template that I used. There you go. This is the template I used. You could use one of these templates, okay? So let's just go back to this template here. This is the template that I use. And I am going to edit this, okay? and I'm going to create something here. So let me just go back to AI, or let me see if I could get one from here. Let's take this one here, copy, and let's just paste this. Okay, there you go. Alright, not bad. I'm gonna just download this. Alright, so let's go back. Let's go to create, upload from computer, go next, next, and if I just come here and paste that same thing here, there you go. And then I'm just gonna put a couple of keywords. Alright, alright, so there you go, and I'm gonna share this, and it's done. Let's just refresh this, and there you go, you can see it there. How easy was that? Now if you do this on a daily basis, you're going to see people coming to this link here, your list building is working, and you're going to start making affiliate commissions. Okay, this was just one network. You could do this with multiple networks. So let's just do the same thing with Pinterest. Okay, so let's just come here, let's create a pin. Okay, and for this I'm going to use a different one. Okay, so let's go back to AI, come back to there, and let's just get rid of that. Alright, and I'm gonna just come here, download. Alright, so let's go back to Pinterest and let's do this. Okay, I know which one. First of all, I'll have to check. Let's just do 1000 here, so I know which one it is. So let's just come back here, let's just go here, and there you go. Check this out. Okay, if I just paste all that here, I get rid of don't let fear keep you poor, make $1,000 a day. Let's paste that whole, right, and down here you want to add your landing page URL or your ClickBank affiliate link. Okay, it's that simple. And then you just want to add some tags here. Okay, so let's just do that here, wealth. Alright, just leave it. I think affiliate marketing is more than enough. Okay, so I'm just going to publish this. Don't let fear hold you back. You can see here, I've done the same post. I've done a post on Instagram, and I'm doing another post on Pinterest. Okay, so I remember what it was like to have less, but now I wake up every day knowing I'm making $1,000. Don't let fear hold. Now I remember what it was like to have nothing. Instead of putting nothing, you should put less. The thing is to just going too far. But now I wake up every day knowing I'm making $1,000. Don't let fear keep you poor. Instead of putting keep you poor, put hold you back. Okay, so that's it. That's how you do. This is unlimited free traffic, faceless affiliate marketing without any investment. You can do this on a daily basis and you can start making a lot of money. Let me just show you another more thing here. Okay, so if I come here, check this out. Okay, 2,904 followers. Check this out. This person is posting ingredients with cooking. Okay, you could have a ClickBank weight loss product affiliate link down here. If I come here, I'm going to show you some more. Right, so if I come here, check this out, 3.4 million followers, and this person has a link down here, right, with different options. You could have your ClickBank affiliate link down here. Look at this, 15,000, 13,000, 4,000, 41,000, 39,000. So you can see the power here. The only key to getting so much success is being persistent. If you're persistent, you can make a lot of money doing this. Okay, now if you got value from my video, just give me a thumbs up, hit that like button. Okay, if you have questions, just leave a comment, and if you want to learn the shortcut path to making thousands of dollars in commissions just like this, click the link in the description box below this video, or go to this website address and you will be able to see the system that's taking the internet by storm.